Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, also I just want to invite the people that are joining me for the first time to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. For today, I want to make a Christmas centerpiece. I went to the Dollar Tree and I just picked up pretty much anything that kind of had a bling to it. So let me tell you what you're gonna need. So I saw these beautiful, already decorated boxes. So I thought that this would make a good box to put an arrangement in. So you're gonna need something like this. They do have other designs, so you definitely can play around with other color schemes or other designs using these items. Also, I am going to use maybe some of these items I may subtract or add to this centerpiece depending on how it looks. So I just picked up a lot of different stuff. So I have these glitter bows. I have like these decorative clips. So that already has like a little arrangement to it, and then it has like a clip on the back of it. So I got like 2 of these. So notice how it has the glitter and shine. I have some more little clamps, this time in gold. You need floral foam to put your arrangement, to be able to stick your arrangement into the box. I came across these golden spikes. I know you can get something like this from the Dollar Tree as well. I got some Christmas flowers. I got the ones that kind of had like a, I don't know, more like a textured flower, like a velvet-like flower. And they had different kinds. Then you're gonna need a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna use the Christmas tree to give me my greenery in my centerpiece. I also have some ornaments. So I have red and gold ornaments that I plan on using in my arrangement. And definitely your hot glue gun, a wire cutter, and I think that's about it. So I already kind of got started. So I took one of the Christmas trees and I already cut them into pieces. So if I feel like I need more, I'm gonna cut some more out of my second Christmas tree, but I'm gonna just try to see what I can do with this one Christmas tree that I already cut the pieces out for. Now, let's just start with our box. So I end up not using everything that I had. It was too much. So as you can see, I used the gold ornaments. I used the other little gold accents. I did borrow like the little golden leaf from this here, but I did not use all of those pieces. And I think it came out beautiful. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments below. The only thing that I would say that I don't like about it is that it's just really, really small. So if you make it, I would encourage you to make like at least 3 of them and just kind of cluster them on your table if you're planning on making this as a table centerpiece, or even if you're doing it for an event. Because it's so small, I would put more than one of them on a table. And then if you see, I have it sitting on top of this cake stand because it's so small, or maybe you can just use something to kind of elevate it. So please let me know what you think about this centerpiece for Christmas. And please feel free to share my video. And if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you so much for joining me. And please stay tuned. I'm going to do some more Christmas centerpieces. I plan on doing another Dollar Tree Christmas centerpiece. So again, all these items were from the Dollar Tree. So until I see you next time, bye.